Hi guys, so I just wanted to share a little bit of my experience. I've been recording car footage, car videos, exhaust sounds in particular, and just trying to make sure I could get the best sound out of the cars that I'm filming. And so I used to use a GoPro 6 Black is what I've been using the most, and I actually liked the sound. It was much better than say a GoPro 2 or 3, when it's in that case. I got just much better sound, and to be honest, I thought it was acceptable. So I did a few videos as is, but eventually I tried to search for a solution where I would have not only better audio when the car is standing still, but also in the wind. And I guess the first time I really had an issue was when I tried to film a Ferrari, where it was really obvious that it was cutting in. The audio would basically go in and out of what's called wind mode on the GoPro, where it kind of sounds like you're underwater, and depending on the level of the sound, on the deceleration in the Ferrari, it would go into wind mode, and then when you would accelerate, it had plenty of sound to capture, so we would kick out of that mode, and it would just basically give you a really odd and inconsistent sound. So I decided to invest in the mic. I did a little bit of research, and as you can see on this picture, I went with Rode Videomicro's microphone. The reason why I went with that one is because it's more portable, smaller, the way it mounts on the GoPro. I found a really cool case. I'll get to that in a minute. It's just really convenient. It has a dead cat on, so it's pretty good in the wind. And quite frankly, it's better than a lot of other options that are a lot more expensive. I compared it to $200 and $300 options. This one is only $59. So overall, it was the one I chose, and I'm going to show you the difference in a little bit, how it compares with the internal mic versus the external mic that I mounted on the GoPro. So the problem is, though, you cannot just buy the mic, the Rode mic, and then plug it straight in. You need an adapter. So that's what you see there on the left. You need that adapter. Plug that into the GoPro, and then plug the mic's cord into that. So I also wanted a case, as you can see on the right, because I wanted to be able to mount everything together in one piece. So I got that Ulanzi case, which came in the box that you see on the bottom, and you see the case itself on the right. It's like a metal aluminum case, and it has a little slot that is in the right position for me for that mic adapter. The GoPro, that's a GoPro mic adapter that I bought through GoPro directly. There's a slot for it on top, and then the mic mounts on top of that. I've seen placements for that below the GoPro, but I prefer it on top because then it raises the mic, and then it puts the mic out of the view of the GoPro. And then, if you really need it way out, or you need it a little bit steady, you can use the little microphone cord in red there. You can use that to kind of tie it down. I like to wrap it underneath the GoPro before I plug it in, and it kind of pulls the mic a little bit upwards, so it never shows in your footage. So with that in mind, I think I like the construction of the case. I like the feel of the mic. I like the sound of the mic. I like the adapters working just fine. So I really like the setup. You could even add a light if you needed to for your purpose. But I think without further ado, let me get into the sound comparison.